Today, we explore the idea of continuous improvement in shared file management, an approach that not only organizes information but also strengthens collaboration but efficiency. The purpose is simple to improve the way we share, organize, and access documents by creating a system that's reliable and easy to use. We help teams save time, reduce confusion, and work with confidence. We will explore three fundamental aspects of our work: structure, collaboration, and innovation. When these three come together, they shape effective knowledge and quality management, helping organizations grow and adapt successfully. Continuous improvement is not a destination, but a journey. Each small, consistent step we take in a managing our file buildings efficiency, reduce errors, and drive long-term organizational growth. Let's start with the structure. When files are well organized, we save time, reduce mistakes, and work more efficiently. Good structure also makes it easier to collaborate and ensure compliance with quality and industry standards. Second, collaboration. Short files aren't static, they're living documents. That means everyone on the team can contribute, make updates in real time, and keep the work dynamic, accurate, and always up to date. When we use digital platforms to improve workflows, we don't just save time. We create room for creativity, collaboration, and smarter decisions that move our work and our people forward. The PDCA cycle is our guide. First, we plan, then we act, we check the results, and finally, we improve. And when we finish, the cycle starts again. It never stops. Quality standards like ISO 90001, stress process management, risk analysis, and improvement principles that also apply to file systems. Manage shared files means manage knowledge, and knowledge is the most valuable thing we have because files are where we store it and make it accessible to everyone. But problems can arise, such as duplicate files, confusing file names, and insufficient permissions. All of this wastes time and also undermines trust. How do we keep our system clean? It's simple, with clear rules. Things like standardized naming, definite access, and regular reviews keep everything usable and in order. Technology drives improvement with cloud platforms, version control, and automated process. File sharing becomes radically more efficient and secure. But tools alone aren't the answer. Real quality comes from people, from their training, their awareness, and their commitment to uphold those standards every day. Continuous improvement depends on culture, not just on procedures. If you foster curiosity and empower your team, innovation will emerge naturally. It's the only way to truly grow. File management, and really it's risk management in disguise. Its true objective is threefold: to prevent data loss, ensure data security, and guarantee the reliability of all information. The impact of improvement is clear. We can expect stronger collaboration, faster decision, and the most important, greater trust across the organization. Practical case is when teams track indicators and review shared files regularly, performance improves, and knowledge grows. Structure is our antidote to chaos. Collaboration is what keeps our knowledge alive, and innovation is the fuel that propels us forward. Together, they are unstoppable. The call to action is clear. Treat share files as living assets. Improve them, protect them, and let them inspire growth.